Hi guys! Samahin niyo akong mag-unbox ng nabili ko nung sale ng Vice Cosmetics. This is worth 2,500 but I only got it for 999. So let's unbox them. First product is this SPF Boost Sunwear Sun Mist. And then I also have the Aqua Grip Endless Soothing Primer. So, ayan siya. Hindi ko pa kasi sila talaga na-open. Okay, ganito yung itsura niya. So, ayan siya. Next is the Velvet Soft Perfect Kiss Diffused Lip Bullet. So, ito naman siya. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Ang ganda. Look. And this is in the shade So Chic. Next is Multi Matte on the Daily Matte Liquid Blush. So, ito siya. This is in the shade Forever Cute. Nandiyan nagmamadali ako guys kasi aalis kami. But ito yung itsura nung blush. Ang cute no? Actually, let's swatch. Okay, so ito yung itsura nung liquid blush. Ganda ng kulay. Oh my gosh. Next is I have the Baked Setting Powder and the Universal Fix. So, Universal Baked Setting Powder. Yan. Ang ganda. And I also have the Dream Focus Weightless Foundation. This is in the shade Light Neutral. So, ayan siya. I think mini size to. Cute. And then next is this lip liner First Kiss. Ito siya. I don't know the shade. Hindi ko mahanap yung shade niya. But this one, this is a lip. And then last is this Precision Blending Sponge. Ayun yung ay, hindi pala. I don't know anong kulay niya. Kahit tama nga. Ganun yung kulay niya. Nasa box. Ayun, no? Cute. Ang liit lang niya, oh. Perfect for, pang travel. So, ayun lang guys. Yung nabili ko nung sale. And, I'm gonna try these products. So, thank you for watching.